What do you do?
I'm retired.
What did you do?
Welder.
Settling, MIG, TIG?
Any of it. If it can be welded, I can weld it.
Cast iron?
Yeah.
I don't mean braze.
I didn't say braze.
Hot metal?
What did I say?
Lucky for you, I got some welding gear. We'll get a new wheel on there pronto.
Joey! All right, don't lose your temper. I'll come right back and give you a hand.
An exponential increase in energy output.
A huge amount of energy.
The power of the sun in the palm of my hand.
My latest, greatest work is just about completed.